Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of beginner woodworking projects that can transform your passion into profit. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills, these projects are designed to be accessible, affordable, and highly rewarding. Woodworking offers endless creative possibilities and a chance to build unique, handmade items that sell well in local markets or online platforms. With patience, practice, and the right tools, you can turn simple pieces of wood into stunning decor and functional pieces that captivate buyers and boost your income. Starting with simple woodworking projects is the best way to build confidence and refine your skills. Items like picture frames, small shelves, or candle holders require minimal tools and expertise but yield high aesthetic appeal. These projects allow you to experiment with different wood types, finishes, and designs without feeling overwhelmed. As you gain experience, you can gradually move on to more complex creations. Remember, simplicity often sells just as well, sometimes even better, because customers love customizable, handcrafted items that add charm to their homes. Woodworking offers an incredible opportunity to create eye-catching decor pieces that stand out in the market. Think wall art, decorative signs, or customized key holders. Personalization is key. Adding names, quotes, or unique designs makes your items more appealing. Use stencils, paint, or wood-burning tools to add intricate details. These decor items are popular because they add warmth and personality to any space. Plus, they're relatively quick to produce, making them ideal for beginners aiming to build a diverse inventory. Unique, handcrafted decor can command higher prices and attract repeat buyers. Sustaining profits in woodworking requires consistency and innovation. Keep experimenting with new designs, techniques, and materials to stay relevant. Building relationships with local suppliers can help reduce costs, increasing your profit margin. Always prioritize quality to encourage repeat business and positive reviews. Consider offering workshops or DIY kits to diversify your income streams. Properly managing your time and inventory ensures smooth operations. Remember, patience is key. Every project is a learning opportunity. With dedication and creativity, you can build a sustainable business that grows from your passion for woodworking. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.